being able to replace both ClickFunnels and Aweber in one go. Wouldn't that be incredible? Not only would you be able to have full access to the most comprehensive email marketing suite and create the most profitable funnels in the world, but you'd also be saving thousands of dollars with no recurring fees. Well, look no further, my friend. We are proud to introduce you to FunnelMail Suite. This program allows you to send emails to unlimited subscribers at one time with no restrictions. That would cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month at Aweber. This program allows you to create unlimited funnels with no restrictions. That would cost $197 per month at ClickFunnels. But we're replacing those costly alternatives with a better option. And if you get it now, you'll pay just once and never pay another dime again. On the email side, FunnelMail Suite includes a 100% guaranteed delivery of all transactional and business emails to any inbox. You'll never be flagged as spam, you'll never be blocked. This means you can run as many marketing campaigns as your heart desires, create multiple promotional campaigns, send bulk emails without getting blacklisted, no limits to what you can do. It also means no more slow or non-deliverable emails, no hassle with a limited number of subscribers, no worries getting flagged by autoresponders for every email sent out. All emails delivered fast and quick to your customer's inbox, unlimited email campaigns to your audience. Yes, FunnelMail Suite includes the ultimate email solution. On the funnel side, create unlimited funnels on demand, all organized conveniently in your dashboard. On lightning fast servers, meaning more profits, the easiest and fastest way to build a funnel. Reach people around the world, never pay for hosting nor another funnel builder ever again. Just 3 easy steps will help you make the most amount of profits ever. Step 1, first log into our cloud-based platform. Step 2, instantly create high converting email and funnel campaigns. Step 3, begin making instant profits the easy way with funnels and emails at the push of a button. FunnelMail Suite is perfect for you if you want to thrive in this new age digital world. If you're sick of paying high monthly fees. If you're ready to leverage the power of funnels and email. If you're looking to make the most money possible. If you don't want your emails ending up in the spam folders. If you want funnels that actually convert and are ready and fast. If you are ready to save more and earn more. Don't worry, we designed this to be the last thing you ever need to buy. It has everything you need. It's easier, faster and better than anything else in the market. And incredibly, it has no monthly fees ever. You become a lifetime member, but it's only available until the timer on this page hits 0, so act quickly. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's going to be the most preferred funnel and email solution for marketers and business owners around the world. And we'll see you on the inside.